Question 1. What is Amazon Connect? The correct answer is B, cloud-based contact center service. Question 2. Is Connect a cloud contact center? The correct answer is B, yes, fully cloud-based. Question 3. Does Connect require hardware? The correct answer is B, no, cloud-based. Question 4. What channels does Connect support? The correct answer is B, voice, chat, tasks. Question 5. Can Connect handle phone calls? The correct answer is B, yes, inbound and outbound. Question 6. Does Connect support chat? The correct answer is B, yes, web and mobile chat. Question 7. What are tasks in Connect? The correct answer is B, work items for agents to complete. Question 8. What is a contact flow? The correct answer is B, visual workflow for routing contacts. Question 9. Can you create custom contact flows? The correct answer is B, yes, drag and drop designer. Question 10. What is an IVR? The correct answer is B, interactive voice response system. Question 11. Does Connect support IVR? The correct answer is B, yes, built-in IVR. Question 12. Can Connect use text-to-speech? The correct answer is B, yes, with Amazon Polly. Question 13. Can Connect transcribe calls? The correct answer is B, yes, with Amazon Transcribe. Question 14. Does Connect support sentiment analysis? The correct answer is B, yes, with Amazon Comprehend. Question 15. What is contact lens? The correct answer is B, ML-powered analytics for conversations. Question 16. Can contact lens detect customer sentiment? The correct answer is B, yes, real-time sentiment analysis. Question 17. Does contact lens provide call transcripts? The correct answer is B, yes, automatic transcription. Question 18. What is omnichannel routing? The correct answer is B, route voice, chat, tasks to agents. Question 19. Can agents handle multiple channels? The correct answer is B, yes, voice, chat, tasks simultaneously. Question 20. What is skills-based routing? The correct answer is B, route contacts based on agent skills. Question 21. Can you define agent skills? The correct answer is B, yes, custom skill profiles. Question 22. What is queue-based routing? The correct answer is B, route contacts to specific queues. Question 23. Can you set queue priorities? The correct answer is B, yes, priority-based routing. Question 24. What is the Contact Control Panel, CCP? The correct answer is B, agent interface for handling contacts. Question 25. Can you customize the CCP? The correct answer is B, yes, using Streams API. Question 26. What is the Streams API? The correct answer is B, JavaScript library for CCP integration. Question 27. Can you embed CCP in custom apps? The correct answer is B, yes, using Streams API. Question 28. Does Connect support call recording? The correct answer is B, yes, automatic recording. Question 29. Where are recordings stored? The correct answer is B, Amazon S3. Question 30. Can you monitor live calls? The correct answer is B, yes, supervisor monitoring. Question 31. What is Call Whisper? The correct answer is B, supervisor speaks to agent only. Question 32. What is Call Barge-In? The correct answer is B, supervisor joins call with agent and customer. Question 33. Does Connect provide real-time metrics? The correct answer is B, yes, live dashboards. Question 34. Can you create historical reports? The correct answer is B, yes, scheduled and on demand. Question 35. Does Connect integrate with CRM systems? The correct answer is B, yes, Salesforce, Zendesk, ServiceNow. Question 36. Can Connect invoke Lambda functions? The correct answer is B, yes, in contact flows. Question 37. Can you use Lambda for data dips? The correct answer is B, yes, retrieve customer data. Question 38. Does Connect support outbound campaigns? The correct answer is B, yes, predictive and progressive dialing. Question 39. What is predictive dialing? The correct answer is B, automatically dial multiple numbers. Question 40. Can Connect handle voicemail? The correct answer is B, yes, with custom flows. Question 41. Does Connect support callback? The correct answer is B, yes, queued callback. Question 42. What is queued callback? The correct answer is B, customer requests callback instead of waiting. Question 43. Can you claim phone numbers? The correct answer is B, yes, from AWS or port existing. Question 44. Does Connect support toll-free numbers? The correct answer is B, yes, in supported countries. Question 45. Can you port existing numbers? The correct answer is B, yes, number porting supported. Question 46. Is Connect data encrypted? The correct answer is B, yes, at rest and in transit. Question 47. Does Connect support HIPAA compliance? The correct answer is B, yes, HIPAA eligible. Question 48. Can Connect integrate with Active Directory? The correct answer is B, yes, SAML 2.0 Federation. Question 49. What is Connect pricing based on? The correct answer is B, per minute usage plus phone fees. Question 50. What are common use cases for Connect? The correct answer is B, customer service, sales, support centers. How many did you get right? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.